Welcome to the Auto Vault. Today, we bring you the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck, an electric pickup that redefines toughness, performance, and futuristic design. With its bulletproof exoskeleton, insane power, and long-range capability, can it revolutionize the auto industry? Let's dive into its design, performance, range, features, safety, and price in detail. 1. Design: bold, futuristic, and unbreakable. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck is unlike any other pickup, featuring ultra-hard stainless steel exoskeleton for unmatched durability, sharp, geometric edges that give it a futuristic appearance, full LED light bar for a sleek, modern front and rear look, panoramic glass roof for an open and airy cabin feel, retractable tonneau cover and adaptive air suspension for added versatility. 2. Power and performance: insanely fast and powerful. Tesla offers multiple powertrain options for the Cybertruck, including single-motor RWD 0 to 100 km/h in 6.5 seconds, dual-motor AWD 0 to 100 km/h in 4.5 seconds, tri-motor AWD 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.9 seconds. With its adaptive air suspension and 35-degree approach angle, the Cybertruck is built for both city driving and extreme off-road adventures. 3. Range and charging: go the extra mile. Single motor, up to 400 km range. Dual motor, up to 550 km range. Tri-motor, up to 800 km range. Supports supercharging up to 250 kilowatts, adding up to 250 km of range in just 15 minutes. 4. Technology and features: high-tech like never before. The 2025 Cybertruck is packed with advanced features. 17-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Tesla's full self-driving (FSD) capability. Over-the-air software updates. Ultra-durable interior with vegan leather seats. Large cargo space with lockable storage. 5. Safety: the toughest truck ever. Tesla ensures top-notch safety with armor glass windows designed to withstand extreme impact, advanced autopilot with 360 degrees cameras and sensors, automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist, ultra-rigid exoskeleton for enhanced crash protection. 6. Price and variants: value for performance. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck is expected to start at single-motor RWD-$49,900. Dual-motor AWD-$59,900. Tri-motor AWD-$79,900. Final verdict: is the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck worth it? If you want an electric truck that's nearly indestructible, extremely powerful, and packed with futuristic tech, the 2025 Cybertruck is a game-changer. Whether you're a city commuter, an off-road enthusiast, or someone who loves cutting-edge technology, this truck delivers. Would you buy the Tesla Cybertruck? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Auto Vault. Thank you very much.